Imagine a world where Ferrari's passion for speed meets Mercedes-Benz's obsession with luxury. What if the world's most prestigious supercar brand teamed up with the king of German engineering to create not just a car, but a rolling 5-star hotel? Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at right now is not a dream, not a concept sketch. This is the futuristic Ferrari x Mercedes motorhome. A beast on wheels that promises both adrenaline and elegance in ways we've never seen before. Stay with me for the last minutes as we explore every inch of this jaw-dropping machine, because trust me, you won't want to miss a second. If you're new here, we explore the most futuristic vehicles, luxury motorhomes, and mind-blowing designs shaping the future of travel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because what you're about to see today is the definition of next-gen travel. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, you can immediately tell this is no ordinary RV. The bold Ferrari red instantly grabs your attention, while Mercedes' design language is visible in those sharp aerodynamic lines. The massive glass windows stretch across the side, creating a floating lounge effect. Notice the futuristic LED strips along the body, giving it a hypercar-inspired aesthetic. The Ferrari logo sits proudly on the front, while the Mercedes emblem crowns the top, almost like two titans signing their masterpiece together. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving sculpture, built to dominate highways while turning heads at every corner. Performance and engineering. Of course, beauty is nothing without power. Reports suggest this motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain combining Mercedes' electric expertise with Ferrari's racing DNA. Imagine a 1,200 horsepower motorhome that can glide silently in city streets but roar like a Formula One car on open highways. The multi-axle design ensures stability, while adaptive suspension adjusts to any terrain. Whether you're cruising through smooth highways in California or rugged mountain roads in Switzerland, this motorhome delivers comfort without sacrificing Ferrari's racing spirit. Interior luxury. Step inside and you're entering another universe. The interior is designed like a private jet. Spacious leather recliners, panoramic glass ceilings, touch-sensitive ambient lighting, and a lounge area that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. On the upper deck, you have a complete lounge with smart glass windows switching from clear to tinted with a single touch. A massive 8K entertainment wall dominates the living space, powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system. And the kitchen? Forget camping stoves. This one has a full chef setup with smart appliances, induction cooking, and even a wine cooler built into the wall. The Ferrari influence comes in the details, the red stitching on leather, the sports car-inspired cockpit, and a steering console that feels like you're piloting a spaceship. Bedroom and comfort. Moving to the private quarters, this motorhome doesn't just give you a bed, it gives you a suite. A king-size smart bed with memory foam, ambient lighting that adjusts to your sleep cycles, and floor-to-ceiling smart windows offering breathtaking views wherever you park. You even get a spa-style bathroom with rainfall showers, heated floors, and Italian marble finishing. Who said road trips can't be luxury getaways? Family and travel experience. Picture this, you're driving through the Swiss Alps with your family. The Ferrari engine humming in the background while your kids relax in the lounge upstairs, watching movies in cinematic quality. You park by a riverbank, slide open the panoramic doors, and suddenly the outdoors feels like an extension of your living room. This is the kind of travel that changes the game. It's not about reaching a destination, it's about living the journey. Technology and safety. Of course, Mercedes never compromises on safety. This motorhome includes AI-assisted driving, collision avoidance, and fully autonomous cruise control. Ferrari's input adds responsive handling, making it surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. Add solar panels on the roof, eco-friendly hybrid tech, and smart AI assistants throughout the cabin, you're looking at the most intelligent motorhome on the planet. So here's the real question. Is this the future of road travel? A collaboration between two giants, Ferrari bringing speed, Mercedes bringing luxury, delivering the ultimate travel machine. I think it's not just the future. It's the dream every traveler didn't know they had. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari x Mercedes futuristic motorhome, let me know in the comments. Would you take this beast on a world tour? Or would you rather park it in your driveway as the ultimate flex? And don't forget subscribe for more futuristic vehicles, luxury home tours, and next-gen designs. The best part? This is just the beginning of what's coming in the world of travel.